What's up guys, from here, and today we'll be doing another tutorial making a TikTok video using Clipchamp. Now I did this before in a previous video, but just wanted to show you some extra stuff that came in, that I guess new techniques, if you will. First thing you want to do is make sure you have the 9:16, the 16 and 9 would be the YouTube or whatever, a regular video. So we're going back to the 9:16, and we have our clip here. We're gonna import it into the timeline, but we just want to make sure, get a quick section of something that's really useful here. Let's see. We'll try to find a good moment here, I guess. I think I'm right about here. Let's start right here. So if we have this already highlighted, that's good. I'm going to snip that, and then we're going to get rid of this. We'll click on the trash can, it will bring it over for us. It's pretty good. And like I said, we want to maybe 30 seconds here. Let's try. Ooh, that was, let me just get out of here. Alright, so we're gonna 30 seconds maybe. Here also we can zoom in the timeline by pressing that or control, hold the control key and just scroll the wheel up. Okay. That's about right. So we'll have that right there, and let's go ahead and get rid of this. So we have our main video that we're going to be working with here. Now we can we don't want to leave it just like this, so but before we do that, let's highlight this and let's duplicate 3 times. Alright, once we duplicate 3 times, we're gonna go ahead and bring them just like so, have them just like that. Okay, so this in theory would be the we'll make sure we get the right one, fill it, there we go. That's the bottom one, the background, if you will. Let's go ahead and add our filter for our blur effect. Blur effect, glass effect works just as good, but yeah, we'll just use the blur effect. There we go. And then we have our middle here, which we want to kind of make it a little bit bigger. Actually, let's do that a little bit bigger. Just to get it out of the cam. Out there, yep, okay. We'll move this up. Okay, so, well, last time I kind of just did like that, and but I did see this crop here button right here we can use. We'll just crop it as best as we can, and we'll click the done, and we'll bring it down. Boom, okay. We have that. But we also want to make sure that our volume on each one of these are 0 except for 1. We'll make them all 0. That's gonna help us. Audio 0 and then audio 0. Okay. Because you're gonna have a bunch of echoes, so let's increase the timeline a little bit more. Alright, you can also mute it like here. Okay, so we have all but one selected there. Bingo. Okay, let's go look at our transitions real quick here. Let's see if we can add anything craziness to it. Let's see. Oh, that was okay. No, that doesn't work per se, but we have to crop, and then let's see if we can add something else to give it some, you know what I mean? What we could do actually is, if we only have 30 seconds of this video, we could like play a little bit right there, maybe. Pick a time or a key moment in the clip. Let me just get out of here. Alright, so if we boom, right there is where we want to kind of add in the middle. We'll find the middle one. and snip right there, and then we'll let's see what we got to utilize here. Spin, we'll use a spin maybe. So we'll play that and see how that kind of looks. If that's, ooh, that was. Let me just get out of here. Yeah, there you go. That was pretty good. Just adds a little extra you know what I mean? Of course, we can see if there's any overlays we could use. I'm not really sure if there's ones for here. These are all free. Of course, there's probably some other ones which I don't see. No, we can't. We don't want to use those. Oh, excuse me. Now we go back to like our typical in the beginning of stock video, and we'll give them, you know, the whole, hey, let's like and subscribe, whatnot. These all come with some perfect ones, so we'll add that as well. Boom. And I kind of want to add it right here, I think. That way it doesn't go away from distract them from the actual gameplay that we want. And then let's see if there's text overlay, of course. I'm trying to figure out if there's anything else that we can make it a lot better. Templates, let's look at templates real quick. Trying to use all the little assets here. Well, you can add other stuff to it, overlays and certain things to kind of spruce it up, you know, from let's see. I don't okay. Let's keep cruising here. Let's go play and see what we got so far. Looks about right there. So we'll add another sip it up top here, and then we'll maybe do a different one, you know. Oops. Oh, what else can we do? I don't think it's gonna let us do that. Alright. Well, it's not gonna let us do all those other ones for some reason. I don't know why. Let's see. Fade black. Okay, with glitch. Okay, let's see how that plays. And channel. I'm looking. Okay, it gives it a little something. Alright. Of course, in other videos I did do where I added text and stuff like that. But if you're also looking for something a little more customization, believe it or not, CapCut is something very useful. It also does an awesome unique feature, auto caption. So it's quite perfect for this. You could technically do it on your phone and then send it to your PC and then do there. So that's also another option. We'll try to add some type of beat to this game. Let's see what else we got here. Music. Let's see music here. Free to use. Let's see. We'll pause and see how we look here. All right. Let's see what we got. that was pretty decent. Oh no. I say we use this one for now. We'll go ahead and add that to the timeline. And then of course we're gonna trim it down again. Make sure that's highlighted and trim it down, and we'll delete that part. Okay, now we'll play it and see how it works, guys. Here we go. Let's get out of here. Okay, now we're done with that part. Now that's gonna be we got the music, we can mess with this here a little bit to give it a nice little we'll pick a frame, spell it like we did before. Let's get out of here. Alright, we'll find this part right here. It's pretty good, and we'll add another like transition to it to make it kind of unique here. TV interference, I don't know if we're able to use that one. No, that'd be pretty good. Let's see, we need to do maybe a zoom in. Yeah, let's do a zoom in. Let's see. I don't know what that is. Okay. We'll do the zoom in one. I think that'd be kind of check it out. We'll see what we got. And all right, then we'll do another slice right here, I think, and do another zoom in. Where was that? Zoom in. There we go. Zoom in. All right. Now let's play it from there and then see. I'll try to catch it with the beat, but it's kind of hard. I'm looking. Okay. And then we'll try another one. We'll do it with the with this one, the cameras. Here we go. There we go. We'll try that part and snip it right there and zoom in on the cam. It just gives it a little extra beats and stuff. So now we'll play it in its entirety. Let's get out of here. Alright, good. And don't forget that you can adjust the sound, the audio, fade and all that stuff right here, and you'll be able to change it. I think we're gonna leave it like that. It looks pretty good. I think we did a pretty decent job considering that we used all the free stuff we have in Clipchamp. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you did like it, don't forget to subscribe, smash the like button, and yeah, I'll see you guys next video. Happy editing, my friends.